There is one more technique I would like to discuss, which is root cause analysis. This technique is really essential for any user experience designer. So if you want to be a user experience designer, you need to master it. It is very easy and simple to learn. Now, finding the root cause problem is essential in any user experience design process, because we are going to find the real problem behind what user is trying to say. It is called 5 whys, and this process was developed by Sakichi Toyoda, that is being used in Toyota production plant. And what you are going to do is just keep asking whys till the time you reach the real or root cause of that problem. Let's see this root cause analysis with some example. Now the problem is that user was unable to log in. So the first question is, why didn't the user fail to log in? The answer is she typed the wrong password. Why she typed the wrong password? Because she forgot it. Why she forgot the password? Because we had a constraint of making strong passwords. Why didn't she use the forget password? She tried to use it but didn't get the email within 30 seconds. Why delay happened with the reset password? Because we are using some third-party plugin. Now the real problem was that the user tried to use the forget password feature, but she was unable to receive the password because of the delays. So the real problem behind her failed login was not the wrong password, but the password reset delays. So this is how you are going to find the real problem behind anything. You can apply this technique to any situation in your life or in user experience design, or while you are designing something or you are questioning users. So this is all about root cause analysis. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, do ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.